This is a follow-up video after we treat these aphids with Starkill G insecticide. As we can see, this has been reduced significantly into just 30%. So 70% of the aphids are dead. But clearly they're not gone. So we need to reapply the pesticide after a month. So this is the reason why we need to reapply, because they don't die in just one application. If you haven't seen my previous video, please click the thumbnail at the end of this video. Just so you know, I have used a systematic insecticide previously, and I'm checking if this is really effective. I'll put another update after a month, and let's see if this insecticide is really effective.